Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing weekly and daily analysis on EURJPY. Recently I get very positive comments from lot of my viewers. Thank you for your support to my channel. So as usual, we'll go from weekly time frame to daily time frame. I'm in weekly time frame EURJPY. Overall, when we analyze the trend in weekly time frame, we can draw a line here. So it was on a downtrend. Now at this point it has given a breakout. It has given a retest also in the dynamic support. So it's a good sign that uptrend has started. So far it was on a downtrend. Now it has given a breakout and uptrend has started. Presently it is an uptrend. Weekly resistance is going to be around here. This was a resistance. It has already cleared this resistance. So this is going to be the first resistance. The next resistance is going to be at, this is going to be the next resistance. This is from the weekly time frame. Support on weekly time frame is going to be over here. And if this support is broken, we can see the downtrend to continue. So presently it has started its uptrend. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. Hello traders, hope you are enjoying watching this video. If you like this video so far, press that like button at the bottom. And a quick request, if you have any suggestions, new ideas, or if you want me to do technical analysis for different currency pairs, do let me know in the comment sections. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So here we know dynamic support from weekly time frame is acting as a support and resistance for daily time frame. And here we can notice that it has retested this dynamic support and uptrend has started. So in daily time frame also we can notice that it has formed a very strong support here, support line here. So this line is going to be acting as a support for daily time frame. And we can notice that we can also notice that it has taken support here and uptrend has started from here. Presently in weekly time frame and also in daily time frame, EURJPY currency pairs are in uptrend. Let us analyze the trading ranges. So presently it is testing 0.786 level in Fibonacci's tool. And it has already cleared this 0.618 level in Fibonacci's. So which means the uptrend is strong. It has already taken the uptrend and it is traveling faster. So this is going to be the resistance 0.786 on upside. Next resistance, which was the earlier high, 133.980. Support is going to be at this point where it has actually taken the support and uptrend has started. This will be acting as a strong support. Next support is going to be at this level, 0.382 level. I'm assuming the trend is on the upside, so let me give more ranges on the upside. We are taking Fibonacci's extension tool. Next target is going to be at 135.591. After that, next target is going to be at 137.748. Nearer target is going to be 131.442. Next target is going to be 134.005. And once that target is achieved, we'll have the next target as 135.626. And once that target is achieved, next target is going to be 137.738. In case there is a retracement, we can see it retracing to the support level 128.086. That will be the first support. The next support is going to be at 126.541. If it breaks this level, we can see the trend reversal to happen. This level is going to act as a strong point to decide for the trend reversal. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get updates on my future videos.